Stop right there. If your Android feels slow even with free space, this is the reason, and ignoring it makes the problem worse over time. Today, I'll show you how to remove hidden junk files that quietly clog your phone. We won't touch real photos, videos, or anything important, only useless leftovers. And heads up, the last step frees the most space, so don't skip it. Let's get a quick win first. Step 1. Clear app cache. This takes about 10 seconds and you'll feel it right away. Apps save temporary files to load faster, but too much cache does the opposite. Open Settings. Choose any app you use a lot. Tap Storage. Clear cache. That's it. Pause the video now and do this on one app. You'll already free space before we continue. You may also see clear data. Only use this if the app is broken. It resets the app and signs you out, so skipping it is totally fine. Now here's the part most people miss because Android hides it quietly. Step 2. Empty the system trash. Go to Settings. Battery and Device Care. Storage. Open Trash or Recycle Bin. Delete everything there. Those files are already useless, yet they still slow your phone. Now pay attention. This next step is why phones get slower month after month, even after cleaning storage. Step 3. Delete hidden thumbnails. Android creates small preview images for every photo and video. Even when you delete the originals, these previews stay forever and keep growing in the background. If you ignore this, your phone slowly loses space and performance over time. Open My Files or your file manager. Tap the 3 dots. Settings. Turn on Show Hidden Files. Go to Internal Storage. Pictures. Find .thumbnails and delete everything inside. Check Movies too and remove thumbnails there if present. Last thing, return to internal storage, open the recycle bin or trash, and clear it fully. Done. If your phone felt slow before, this is why. Now it should feel lighter, faster, and smoother without deleting anything you care about. If this helped, like and subscribe. Drop a comment too. I reply to everyone. And for more quick fixes like this, watch the playlist on the end screen.